why we damage and destroy nature? Because we are insensitive to it. We don't think nature is a living entity standing on its own. It is merely an object of our pleasure. So we can manage it, manipulate it, modify it, do whatever we want to do with it. But why we are insensitive to nature? Because we are insensitive to our own physical body. Our body, earth, and nature are made up of the same stuff. Our body is on the mercy of our mind, which comes from our background, religion, and culture. And most of them are not comfortable with the body as it is or its processes. So there is a constant effort to change the body according to the idea of some culture or religion. And same happens with nature. Because if we are sensitive to body, we will experience it directly, and this experience will be sensory and immediate. And body will become a full living entity standing on its alone, and that will be extended to nature. Then we won't manipulate it. We won't use it just for the pleasure of mind. We will respect it, and we will live in harmony with both our body, earth, and nature.